Hey y'all, this is Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today, let me dust her off, wipe me down. Okay, today we are unboxing the Q4 Goldmine CoCo Treasure Chest subscription box. Whew, y'all know how I feel about my Goldmine CoCo subs. So as you can see, the Goldmine CoCo logo has changed. The whole look is a little bit different, and I'm here for it. It says Goldmine CoCo, community, empowerment, elevation, and inspiration. Plan your luxe life. So, if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, please stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so we have the box, and then there was another piece in the packaging. We'll look at this last, but let's go ahead and go through this box, honey, because this is an entire experience. Ooh, child. So in the top of the box it says exclusive access. Hey there, Jim, you're a diamond and you deserve to see yourself as the driven, extraordinary, phenomenal woman you are. Your potential is limitless. Now let Goldmine CoCo help you tap into every ounce of your greatness. And it says plan your luxe life. Woo, y'all. Alright, so let's back this up here. We have two cards in here. This one has a photo of the top of the box, and on the back it says, hello, thank you for your purchase. Every piece is designed to elevate your life, empower you to live full out, and enhance your daily mood. You're a gem, and you deserve to see yourself as the driven, extraordinary, phenomenal woman you are. And then it has the socials and the website down here. So that's the first card. And then we have this next one that pretty much tells you what's in the box. It says this month's sub box includes a vision board kit, 36 illustrated cards, a sticker pack, wall prints, an enamel pen, and a notepad. So excited, y'all. Look at this paper. Boom. Goodness. All right, let's get this out of here. And we'll get this box off the desk. Let's start with what's here on top. So we have this enamel pen. Sis is laid back on her chair, maxing and relaxing, thinking about all the things she's gonna do with her Goldmine CoCo box. So this is our enamel pen. Next we have these illustrated cards. Let's get this open. And the what's included kit says that there are 36 of them. Let's close that up before we mess around and end up in the emergency room. So we have, yes, I can. You are the CEO of your life. Hire, fire, and promote accordingly. Life without challenges is boring. Structure. Me time. Focus. Follow one course until success. See the good in all things. My passion plus my consistency equals success. Go with the flow. Grow. Earn your sleep. I release all doubts and insecurities about myself. Is not selfish. Your body is not selfish. Self-care is not selfish. You are a limited edition, so price accordingly. Y'all, I'm trying to get them all on here so y'all can see them all. Get like an overview of all of them. But it looks like my desk is not planning to let me be great. So we'll see. And then we have Sister Girl with her Fendi bag and a bad attitude. Nah, she don't look like she got a bad attitude. I am enough. Struggle is crossed out and it says growth. Own your magic. Create peace. Be confident. Healthy and wealthy. Take time now to make your soul happy. I am worthy of everything I desire. I am financially abundant. Patience is my superpower. This a lie, for me anyway, but patience is my superpower. Find rest for your soul. Betting on myself. Just keep moving. I am now dissolving all negative, limiting beliefs. It's okay for me to have everything I want. I will give this world good energy. Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. Motivation. Be your own motivation. Do not give up. Remember why you started. I don't do drama. I do deposits. Growth. Last but not least, small steps every day. So y'all, look at this. It is a 36-piece illustration card set. We'll talk about these later on in the video, so you'll get an idea of how to use them. In addition to the obvious ways, you know, sticking them in your pockets in your planner and all that great stuff. Y'all, I'm loving these. The next item we have is this notepad, and it says today's schedule at the top. We have a section for affirmations, a goal of the day. Down here at the bottom it says give yourself permission to grow. Let's bust this open so y'all can see this without the reflection. Give yourself permission to grow. And then we have a schedule from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Plenty of pages, and y'all know Goldmine CoCo uses the really thick, good paper. So this is the notepad. The next item I'm gonna bust open is the wall prints, the set of wall prints. Just leave that up there. So obviously these can be used on their own, but I think they would best be used as when you frame them. So we have this one, sis, grow with the flow, I am worthy of everything I desire, structure, and yes, I can. So that is the 5-piece wall print set. The next item, you know what it is. The growth sticker pack. Y'all, I've seen so many flip throughs of this sticker pack, and I'm still excited to bust it open. So let's get into it. Y'all, this color scheme, give it to me. So we have growth, the process of evolving into who you were, always meant to be without apology. Grace, the ability to love oneself and others with kindness, mercy, and favor. Grind, to make a persistent effort in doing something that is difficult. Work at something persistently. Gratitude, the quality of being thankful. Readiness to show appreciation for and to return kindness. Gather, develop a higher degree of knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. Deciding to be a resource. And grit, firmness of mind, invincible spirit, unyielding courage or fearlessness, fortitude. Then we have our 3 boxes down here, goals, focus, to do. Next we have these big, I love it. Be confident, grow with the flow, focus, follow one course until success, energy, and I am worthy of everything I desire. Then, from what I understand from Felicia's live, these are meant to be like sticky notes. Follow one course until success. I am worthy of everything I desire. Grow with the flow. And then we have our ladies doing their everyday things. And we've got some dots down here. Oh, one big washi strip. Y'all, I love it. So then we've got a set of date dots. We've got a long deco sticker. 2 sets of date covers. Days of the week. We got another set of date dots, and we've got these boxes. I believe these are monthly boxes, and they should fit perfectly in on the monthly calendar view of the Goldmine CoCo planners. Then we have our long stickers. And then we just have a functional page, you know, the double bar, some quarter boxes, you know, circles and squares. We've got another set of date dots, y'all. Alicia went all out. We have our dolls, and we have another strip of washi. Some more of the ladies, and y'all, these are pretty different. This is cool. I like that. And then the last page, we just have some different functional stuff. If you stay where you are, you'll never go far. Get ready to level up spiritually, mentally, physically, financially. It's yours. We've got an inbox sticker and a task key card sticker. So y'all, this is the growth sticker pack. I cannot wait to get into this hunty. And y'all, last but not least, this item did not fit inside the box, but it was within the FedEx packaging. Y'all, it's a vision board kit. Do y'all see that? Let's get the plastic off here so we can get away from this doggone reflection. It says, keep going. It's in this beautiful mustard colored linen. So nice. Look like they banged mine up. I'll fix it. So if you open it up, you'll see these slots, and you can use your illustrated cards that came in this month's kit, and you just slide them in and you create a vision board. So cute, isn't it? Y'all, I can't wait to finally sit down and take some time to get this together. Super cute. So this is the vision board kit with your cards. So cute, y'all. Has the Goldmine CoCo logo back here embossed. Nice, nice. Alright, y'all, so here is the Q4 Goldmine CoCo treasure chest subscription box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notifications so you know the next time I post, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.